Yeah,
Just was curious what would happen if I did that.
okay, try it now. Push the button up. Okay, I'm gonna keep it up. Go all the way power. Well, no, stop. Put it down. It's starting to wanna. Here, come over here. Okay. You hold on to it. Just put it like on the top of it. Here. Let me get the paper. Don't throw it though, okay?
Don't throw it?
No, don't throw it. I'm gonna here, put it flat on your hand, and I'm gonna take off from your hand. No, I better not.
I can
might
just
go
see it
back
flying
at you.
right into my
Yeah,
face.
it better not. Let's go this way with it. Okay, stand back here. Okay, stay with me and I'll show you what's going on.
Okay.
This makes it go forward, backwards, left, right.
What makes it go up?
This thing. It just goes all the way up, all the way down. Now watch what happens. Just start there. The thing is to let it hover.
Glad there aren't any passengers in there. They might be injured.